Hi, my name is Aditya Yadav, and I'm going to talk about polyglot architectures in general in a bit, and our Automatsky and way beyond development polyglot architecture. So the context is polyglot systems, components, architectures, and designs. We make systems in Java, Scala, and we pride ourselves in polyglot programming. But what about architecture and design? So where does this need come from? Actually, if you see, the technology world is a mess. The telecom world is on Erlang, and the internet companies are on Scala and Play and Node.js, etc. And the more traditional internet companies are on Python, PHP, etc. The mom and pop stores are on PHP and Python and Ruby. The enterprise world is on Java and C++ and .NET, etc. And then it is like 1,000 religions. There is technology lock-in, lock-out by virtue of choices. If today you are a company venturing into Internet of Things, what stack, tool, or technology should you take so as to not lock you in or lock you out of value by virtue of your choices? And you see that every technology tool and stack has a different community, different tool chains, applications and solutions ecosystem, different vendors, support vendors, product vendors, and different strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats of each. How do we make sense of all this? The solution is actually to orchestrate higher level logic execution over such disparate systems, tools, technologies, stacks, and products and software. You need to make truly universal systems and solutions, and the answer is obviously polyglot architecture and design. And that is how we cherry pick the best tools and use them. And once we are venturing into Internet of Things, and we can use what we have already have, and we can integrate, consume, communicate, produce, partake with anything we have to everything we might want to have, and what Automatsky Internet of Things offers us. So we are not niche specialists, we are generalists and polyglots, and we believe in polyglot systems, components, architectures, and design. And I have a demo for you today, but before that, just a little bit of more overview. Defining the IoT scale. We've already seen that IoT scale is a billion concurrent users and trillion operations per second or events per second, which is the projected model-based projection of where the IoT scale would, which order of magnitude it will fit into. And then we realized that SOAP, SOA, BPL, WSDL, etc. technologies, no offense intended to anyone, are enterprise scale. And REST JSON or REST XML, etc., are actually internet scale. And IoT scale is where Automatsky lands with its hybrid text and binary protocol, which works with low-profile devices, and also works at the throughputs and speed and payload efficiency that is required for Internet of Things. And that is why this Automatsky hybrid protocol is a IoT scale protocol. Now, what do you mean by a polyglot spectrum? When you can use or consume something, or produce or integrate with something, or communicate with something, or interact with something, or participate in workflows with something, you would call it a polyglot architecture and design, and the spectrum of your scope as the polyglot spectrum. And the principle of universality applies, and Automatsky believes in the principle of universality and polyglot. And so if you refer to our technologies like Streamer, Chatterbox, Mu Reactive, and Automatsky Hub, etc., they're all based on the same principles. And so this is a diagram of cloud and virtualization. We took it from the internet, and it belongs to the people it is copyrighted by, and we are attributing to them here. And thank you. Well, we didn't have to think before pasting this diagram actually. Automatsky as a polyglot architecture and design works with all of these and can work with all of these. Similarly, for browsers, there is no limitation on the number of browsers or devices, etc. it works, or hardware, or languages, tools, stacks, and chains. Well, there are some exotic ones. We cover around 2 dozen, but nevertheless, it means that we can hook into and and integrate with almost all of those mentioned here, but take it with a pinch of salt. This diagram is a bit exhaustive. We don't cover that much really. We cover two dozen almost. Or operating systems or devices. Now, who are we? We are people with 10 to 20 plus years of software engineering experience into global agile and technology consulting, advisory and delivery experience. We've been with agile and tech before 10, 15 years ago, since they were in infancy. The first computers we worked on were Atari and ZX Spectrum. And yes, we just shot off punch cards. And we went from basic to C++ and assembly, and then we began our journey as technologists. We worked in globally distributed global and Fortune companies like BCG, McKinsey, Fidelity, Tesco, Goldman Sachs as consultants. Long 3 to 5 plus year projects, 200 people, globally distributed teams. We led double-digit, multi-billion dollar US dollar projects. There is nothing in the world of technology that scares us. And we've ridden every wave in the industry in the last 20 plus years. J2E, ERP, Six Sigma, CMMI, data science, product design, design thinking, cloud, big data, etc., etc. And individually we worked with over 300 plus technologies at a time, each of us, which actually means that really nothing that really scares us. We are authors, speakers, coaches, mentors, scientists, technologists, marketing people, finance people, MBAs. We are generalists, and we always start with first principles. And we believe that by starting with first principles, we deliver better value and better solutions for our clients. Now over to the demo. This is a Java program, and I have a Chatterbox instance running. And it is connected to the Twitter service. So we have a Twitter module in Chatterbox. And I'm going to say, hello IIT, IoT. And this is my Twitter message. And so I'm going to show you how Automatsky works with Java. Obviously, Java is very popular. And go back here, refresh. You see, hello IIT Universe from Java. Let me correct the spelling mistake for future messages. Let me move on to something else. We have Python. I'm going to do the same and run. So Automatsky works with Python. I'm just showing you we work with 2 dozen technologies, tools, and stacks. So this is a very limited preview demo. So I'm not going to harp on each and every tool stack we can work with, but just imagine any tool, language, tool stack, platform, tool chain you can imagine, and PHP is there. And I'm going to do the same with Ruby. So it is pointless for me to go and do a demo on Unix, C++, and assembly, and and every platform and every other combination. But this gives an idea, and that is Ruby. And this is C#. And so Automatsky is a polyglot architecture and design. It works with any tool, technology, stack, platform, cloud, device, hardware, software that you can probably imagine. And if it doesn't already work, it will be a very small effort to make it work. So thank you very much for watching, and give polyglot architectures and principle of universality a thought. Give us a shout call us, email us, messages on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. And we'd love to discuss this further and explain more how this works. Thank you very much.